everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support. And if you're new, you're welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Guys, we're talking about The River. It's still a mystery who will leave the show this season. The actress who portrays the character of Lindiwe Madlabantu Dikana on Mzansi Magic hit telenovela The River is the backbone of the show, and we were hoping she will stay forever on the show. Most people watch The River because they love her craft. However, with the way things are going on the show, we wouldn't be surprised if she exits at the end of this season. Entertainment commentator Foam Pillar reported, The River is wrapping third season with a shock. One major character is leaving the show, and it's not clear if that person will be leaving permanent or temporarily. After that report, most people had their finger pointing on one direction. Lindiwe might be the one leaving, since she was promoted to be a co-executive producer of the show late last year. Currently, Lindiwe is facing her biggest enemy, Muhumi, baby daddy, who recorded all her dark secret confession with a plan to expose her. The only thing he wants is to see Lindiwe fall, and having no one on her side and having nothing. Fans loves Lindiwe Madlabantu Dikana dearly. They even crown her as the best actress in South Africa. Let's check the Twitter preferences on the comment section. The other one said, if Lindiwe leaves, that won't make sense. She is the River, Ngono Utumi or Uzulani. The other one said, Tumi must go. They better not kill Lindiwe. I will leave the show. If it's Lindiwe, I will divorce the show and go back to Generation. Guys, yeah, that is what people are saying on Twitter. Last season, Mbali Dikana was the sacrifice of the second season, the end of the second season. So we're not sure if this season Lindiwe will be the sacrifice. Leave your comment below and share your opinion. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.